sirimba leero bino byenjogera byakumwoyo tobola omutima gwange munda tegukubira nze ne kuntujja omukwano leero njagala otegere nti wampamba wotoli siryasenywa nze sebaka. Baby, yeah, I wanna give you everything. Baby, yeah, you belong to me. Osibye cha mukwano ali mukala program okwanjira n'embaga ku Delta TV Tukole. Banange kansibira oli bulungi omwaka omupya gutambula gutya nyongera okugamba nti togwa musubi guno gwakatandika byonna ebyakola mukola omwaka oguwedde tofayo guno omwaka osobola obikola. Babita Sharita mazima wanvu kansinzide waneno ku Delta TV Tukole okubanga nkutuusako program eno ennungi ennyo ey'okwanjira n'embaga. Njagala okugamba nti beerawo bwe lwa Sunday ssaawa zibeera 11 mpaka emu ate nedibwamu Monday ku ssaawa 4 mpaka 6. Oli otya mukwano olunaku lwaleero tulina emikolo gyaffe ebiri. Tulina graduation yaffe bazadde bankubira essimu ffe twadde tuli mu kyalo ffe twadde tuli ludda banaye muze omwana wange saamulabye. Graduation yaffe tugenda kuddamu ogikulaga ate era nga tugenda kutuusako n'embaga y'abalungi bali abaana beeronda Brian ne Doreen. You guys are a perfect couple, a couple made in heaven. Oba mwakikola mutya nze simanyi ngagamba nti nga tetunagendayo banaffe abanjovu estates we bali nnyo okubeera nga baguze ettaka ku kibanja mpola ate era nga balina n'enjovu junior school Nansana Wamala. Kakati osobola okusasula mpola mpola fees ate nga n'ebikozesebwa ebisinga obisangayo. Ffe aba Sharitas by the way tutegeka omukolo gwonna mu ssaawa emu ate nga tusomesa abaana eby'enviiri nga kati twaguddewo twaniriza abapya tulina dde ne boarding leeta omwana wasobokera nga asoma eby'enviiri tumutikkire ate tugenda omutikkira nga twamufunira dde omulimu oba okitegedde. Tuli ku Nkrumah Road wakoma essimu yaffe kweri. Ladies and gentlemen, tugenda kusookera ffenna wali eri Namugongo nga tugenda kulaba mwana muwala mulungi mixture w'omutolo n'omukiga. Eyo mixture nungi wali bwagamba kandi abooli ogira n'agamba hachiwe okitegedde yabimixinga bulungi era nalungiwa yenna. Mr. Brand Babazi n'abiraba n'agamba ekyana kino nga kinkuba n'akiwasa oluvannyuma lw'okukola okuyingira okulungi kwe twakulaga Sunday ewedde. Kakati eno y'embaga yaabwe nga babagatire wali eri ku Uganda Matters Shrine e Namugongo. Oluvannyuma ne beekusa ebifaananyi ku mazzi ng'era bw'ogenda obbiraba. Reception ne bagikwatirira Namugongo ku Dreamland Gardens. Gawuni yabadde ennungi. Mchala yanyumidde ddala nga lisipo ne bumaizi bwe ku changing nagamba wali nayambadde eta nga ya Cinderella kati leka nyambale ekinkute mutegere Brian kye yafuna. Mama twalabye figa twalabye dansi twalabye eriiso naye nga bazadde b'omugolono mbatumiddeko nnyo mwami n'omukyala ba Stanislas niwe byona banaye mbatumiddeko nnyo mwenna abantu abali ku mukolo gwo. Kankutuuseko tova ku Delta TV Tukole yenze Sharita mazima wanvu mami eyakolamu ebiba bikulemye nkubira totya baby nkubira.
kandi ayikirize inama zanyu zombi. Twishyiraho izina rya Padiri, rya Mwana n'irya Mutima Wera. Mukama abenemwe abikirize muri Kristo mwena abija mushurayi n'eje ya Mugongo n'enda kubatangira mu Islamu cyalisa kandi basime n'ubuha bw'abagore b'icyo Brian Hamurabure abija n'izuba mwisha ibishuka Mukama kufanya kukundana kwanyu ukuhamya kukundana kwanyu turashaka Mukama rwanda kukundana kwanyu n'izuba akushereje imigisha icyaba reka muhereze izuba rishananye kurushaga kw'abagore Mukama rwanda akikirize kandi umusheru turashaka Mukama kugira ngo umwinjira icukura umugabo kugira ngo Mukama rwanda abahereze birabyo umusheru bwanyu ibirabyo n'ishyira abana tuzarira abana barusha kubuka isukara n'ubwenge babikiza icyo nicyo cyukuru cya kane gukundana kwanyu n'ubwoko kwanyu bateresa kwanyu turabasigara turi ba karindwi abaza kugira ngo w'iri zuba.
The man fell into a deep sleep, and while he slept, he took one of his ribs and enclosed it in flesh. The Lord God built the rib he had taken from the man into a woman and brought her to the man. The man exclaimed, "This at last is bone from my bones and flesh from my flesh. This is to be called woman, for this was taken from man. This is why a man leaves his father and mother and joins himself to his wife, and they become one body." The word of the Lord.
Obushero ubwekundire n'umutima kwanyu ubona mwetekateke kuguma nimukundana kandi nimuhereza n'ifuko mwetekateke kuguma hamwe mwembi okwisya muri fara muryayakiriza urukundo abana kubangarirwa muborore Kristo n'Eklezia bakakira mubaterere mu ngabo
na Yesu Kristo. I hand my sister to you. Nebereje umeje mumwe usinge.
And let us know that she's the one. If she's not the one, is she the one?
Yes.
Show Mutabarsi. Mutabarsi, you can have her. You are the
abekimpeta yokamanyisuka rukundo yokamanyisuka rukundo yanje n'obwesigwa bwanje ali mu izina lya Patiri n'erya Mwana n'erya Mutima Gw'Okwera.
okumwahisa bakutuma okwikiriza okukundana kwanyu obwisho bwa Ruhanga n'agabikiriza nibarangirira omushaija n'omukazi omu izina lya Patiri n'erya Mwana n'erya Mutima Gw'Okwera.
Fire, baby.
Baby,
your body like a novel. I eat your boy like a bowl sugar. For you I perform the whole show. Yeah, like a bowl sugar. Tell me what you want, I'll bring for you. And I can't forget the whole sugar. See, I can never leave you over. Yeah, baby, I wanna give you everything. Yeah, baby, you belong to me. Yeah, baby, I wanna give you everything. Yeah, baby, you belong to me. Yeah, move it the way you wanna go, go, go. Move it the way you wanna go, go, go. 'Cause I don't wanna be so low, so I can borrow your love, yeah. Everybody cool and me cool it up. Chocha, baby, cool it up. I'm about to come back home, cool it up. Chocha, baby, cool it up. I wanna give you everything, yeah. Baby, you belong to me, yeah. Baby, I wanna give you everything, yeah. Baby, you belong to me, yeah. I read your body like a novel. I eat your boy like a bowl sugar. For you I perform the whole show. Yeah, like a bowl sugar. Tell me what you want, I'll bring for you. And I can't forget the whole sugar. See, I can never leave you over. Yeah, baby, I wanna give you everything.
Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga